Why are billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Richard Branson all pouring billions into space exploration? It seems like every tech mogul is racing to the stars. But why? Today, we're breaking down the real reasons why billionaires are so obsessed with space and what they're hoping to find beyond Earth. First, let's set the stage. For decades, space exploration was dominated by government agencies like NASA, Roscosmos, and the European Space Agency. But recently, private companies are taking the lead. Elon Musk's SpaceX, Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin, and Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic are making headlines with missions to the International Space Station, Mars, and even space tourism. But what's driving this space rush? Here are the 5 key reasons. Reason 1. The space economy is projected to be worth trillions. The space economy, encompassing satellite technology, space tourism, mining, and infrastructure development, is poised for explosive growth. Currently valued at around $400 billion, estimates suggest it could exceed $1 trillion by 2040 and even $3 trillion by 2050. Key drivers include the increasing demand for satellite services, the emerging space tourism industry, and the potential for asteroid mining, which could unlock vast amounts of valuable resources like rare metals. Billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Richard Branson see immense business potential in space. SpaceX, for example, is already generating significant revenue through satellite launches and contracts with NASA, while Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are pioneering space tourism. In addition, governments are increasingly relying on private companies for space missions and exploration, further accelerating the industry's growth. These investors believe that while space investments may not pay off immediately, they offer enormous long-term potential. They view space as the next major economic frontier, much like the internet in the 1990s, and by investing early, they are positioning themselves to dominate this emerging market as new technologies and industries develop. Reason 2. Solving Earth's problems. Billionaires investing in space, like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, view space exploration as a potential solution to some of Earth's most pressing problems, such as climate change and resource depletion. One key idea is to move heavy industries off Earth, conducting manufacturing and mining in space or on other planets, which would help reduce pollution and environmental damage. Additionally, space-based technologies, especially satellites, are already playing a critical role in tracking climate change, monitoring environmental conditions, and helping to manage natural disasters. Space exploration also offers solutions to resource scarcity. Earth's resources are finite, and space, particularly through asteroid mining, provides access to valuable materials like rare metals that are essential for industries such as electronics and renewable energy. By extracting these resources from space, it could ease the demand on Earth's limited supplies, creating a sustainable source of materials for future technological growth. Overpopulation is another issue space exploration might address. Visionaries like Musk advocate for making humanity a multi-planetary species, starting with colonizing Mars. This would not only offer a solution to overcrowded cities on Earth, but also act as a safeguard for human civilization in the event of global disasters. In this view, space is seen not just as a new frontier for exploration, but as a critical component of ensuring long-term survival and sustainability for humanity. Reason 3. The dream of colonizing other planets. The dream of colonizing other planets is becoming more tangible as billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos invest heavily in space exploration. Elon Musk, through SpaceX, is particularly focused on establishing a self-sustaining human colony on Mars. He views this as essential for ensuring humanity's long-term survival in the face of potential global disasters on Earth. Musk's vision includes sending humans to Mars using the SpaceX Starship and ultimately creating a fully functioning city where millions could live and work. Mars is considered the most viable option due to its proximity to Earth and potential resources like water ice, though significant technological challenges remain. Jeff Bezos, on the other hand, is interested in building lunar bases and space habitats through his company Blue Origin. He sees the moon as a stepping stone to further space exploration and envisions large space habitats where humans could live and work. Both Musk and Bezos view space colonization as not just a bold exploration venture, but a critical step towards securing humanity's future and expanding civilization beyond Earth. By colonizing other planets, they hope to create new homes for humans, access untapped resources, and pioneer a future where life extends beyond Earth. Reason 4. Technological innovation. Space exploration drives significant technological innovation as the challenges of operating in space force engineers and scientists to push boundaries. Companies like SpaceX have pioneered reusable rockets, dramatically reduced the cost of space travel, and making frequent missions more feasible. These advancements in rocket engineering, materials science, and propulsion have wide-ranging applications beyond space, benefiting industries like aviation and transportation. Additionally, space exploration accelerates developments in artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous systems, which are critical for missions to distant planets. These innovations are already transforming industries on Earth, from manufacturing to healthcare. Space missions have historically led to spin-off technologies that we now use daily, such as GPS and telecommunications satellites. Furthermore, research into space-based energy solutions like solar power and advancements in medical technologies for astronauts have led to breakthroughs in renewable energy and healthcare on Earth. The innovation driven by space exploration not only advances the space industry, but also has far-reaching benefits across various sectors, improving technologies that power everyday life and paving the way for future scientific discoveries. Reason 5. Long-term profit. Billionaires are investing in space exploration for the potential of massive long-term profits. While space ventures require substantial upfront costs, the long-term financial rewards could be enormous as industries like satellite services, space tourism, asteroid mining, and off-world manufacturing begin to mature. Space is seen as the next major economic frontier. Much like the internet in the 1990s, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are building the infrastructure for affordable space travel, reusable rockets, and satellite networks, positioning themselves to capitalize on the growing demand for space-related services. Key areas of profit include satellite services, which are already generating billions through global internet, GPS and communication networks, and space tourism, which has the potential to evolve into a multi-billion-dollar industry as costs decrease. Additionally, asteroid mining and space resource utilization offer enormous profit potential by providing access to valuable materials like rare metals and resources for space missions. By investing early in these technologies, billionaires are setting themselves up to be leaders in the multi-trillion-dollar space economy of the future. So why are billionaires investing in space? It's about more than just dreams of adventure. It's the next frontier of economic growth, technological advancement, and even the survival of humanity. The stars represent not just a distant hope, but a very real opportunity, and these billionaires want to be the first to seize it. Whether it's for profit, legacy, or the survival of our species, the space race is on, and it's never been more exciting to watch.